This is my 1982 Datsun 280ZX that I fitted a wide body kit to it years ago. And now I'm gonna be stripping everything apart to put Corvette suspension underneath it, front and rear, from a C6 Z06. And I'm also going to be putting an LS engine. We're gonna be taking this thing apart to literally a bare shell. So interior, seats, steering, engine, transmission, bumpers, tires, ski box, everything is coming off. So with that said, let's get started. Sadly, we are going to start with the ski box. This ski box, I used it to move from California. I used to live in Los Angeles. I put it on here because I needed one car to fill with all my equipment that I needed to move with. Oh, brake! Ow! Ah! I just pinched my hand. Oh. Yeah, that's owie. Oh, sliding forward. We're almost done. It's sick, I know. Move. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's huge. This is the end of an era. Yeah, it's massive. Yeah, it's so big, I know. Looks so different. Wow, I haven't had that ski box off in pretty much since I built the car. Next, we need to remove this super strut. This thing is made out of super strut, which you can buy at like Home Depot. All my material that I used in building this car was bought at Home Depot. Like, it's bringing out memories for how I built this thing in the jankiest way possible. What are you up to? Oh my, did you turn on the hazards? Bruh, you want the Corvette? Okay. Here, say thank you. So I literally drilled holes straight into the trunk of this car. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, it's all falling apart. Wow, this was so janky. That just hit my windshield. Oh my, please don't tell me that cracked. Please do not tell me that cracked. Oh my gosh. So if anybody wants a pair of Nissan 370Z downpipes, I have some available. Both sides looked like that with a hole. And so I filled in the hole on top so water wouldn't get in there and it wouldn't cause rust. Regardless of how janky this whole setup might have been, it actually stayed on. Careful, don't hurt yourself. Okay, should I close the door? Say close it, please. Okay, sweet. You're excited? I'm excited too. Sweet. What are you doing? You're so random. Do you want to open the door? Say please. Say please. Okay. Can you give me my wrenches back? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. You want that to help you out? Yeah, hello. Ah! 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 Boo! It is wild though how different this thing looks compared to with the ski box on it. Wow, that's wild.
The next day,
we are going to be beginning stripping out the interior. So first of all, I need to take out these seats. Oh, is that an airplane? Huge. Is that cool?
Touch it.
Yeah, you can't touch it. It's in the air.
Far away.
Yeah, it's very far away.
Oh, shoot.
You're doing this. You want to try it?
Okay.
Sure. Here. Yeah. Yeah. Do it like that. Yeah. What sound does the Datsun make? Yeah.
24 hours later.
Yeah, that's using the screwdriver to take the car apart. So I have to take apart these nuts and bolts and all of that holding the dash together. And it should come out, I think. Yeah, do you want to help that I take out these screws?
Okay.
Okay. This is all gone. Excited? You're excited? Is that cool? Yeah, you're bringing out the bolt. Yeah, we will bring out the engine later. It's gonna be awesome. There's like a huge nut in there that I need to take out. Hold the wrench. Yeah. 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 Good job. Yes. Yes. Nice. Keep going. Yeah. Is that cool? That's actually cool. That's the first time he's actually done that right. That's so awesome. Oh, I think you got it. Yo, you got it. Sick. Nice. That's a big nut. Yeah, it's done for now. We have to take out the hub. Oh, there we go. There we go. And it is completely out.
Whoa.
I know, the whole steering wheel came off. I think the dashboard just has one more or two more screws. Yep. And now turn this way. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, you got it. Yo, that's cool. Yeah, keep going. I forgot that there were some screws that go up behind there. There's 4 of them. And with those screws out, this should technically nice. Almost nice. Hopefully there's no more cables. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
1 week later.
It's another day. Every day I try to get like an hour done because there's a lot. Okay, let that pull the dashboard out. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Oh gosh, there we go. The whole dashboard is completely out. Oh, it's huge. Yeah, it's massive. In the past, I modified this thing a little bit because it had cracked until I put like sheet metal and kind of tapped it into the dashboard, which was terrible because it didn't work as much as I thought it did. And so I'm gonna need to replace this thing. So I'm probably gonna 3D scan it and I design a whole new piece. And I'm also bagging and tagging all my bolts and nuts because I don't want to get into a situation where I do not remember where any of these go when it's time to install them. And so for this one, I just have seat bolts and nuts. I'm also gonna label everywhere that I take out a wire from so I don't forget. Why did he? What is that? Yeah, that is the steering wheel. I'm definitely going to be cutting a part of the floors out, and I might also be cutting this area to fit the engine / transmission. So let's take out this freaking gross carpet that's bothered me forever. I should probably be wearing gloves for this. I don't think this is safe to breathe in or to touch, but sometimes in life, you gotta do what you gotta do. That is so freaking gross, dude. Oh. The amount of water in here is insane. Oh. I'm surprised the floors haven't even rusted through. Oh, that's gross. Ow. So after what feels like taking apart 2,000 things from the Datsun, we finally got the interior mostly stripped out. The wiring is out, the dash is out, the seats are out, the carpet is out. Until I'm ready to move to the next stage of this process of turning my Datsun to a shell, which is taking the engine and transmission apart and making the Datsun a non-running car. And I know it doesn't look like we got a lot accomplished in this video, but the truth is it took me about 4 weeks to take just the interior apart. But that's because of my current reality. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of an update on that. First one is I'm currently at the mercy of the weather. So if it rains, I can't work. If it's dark, I can't work. And in a time like this, where it rains almost every day, and it gets dark so fast, and so it kind of makes it tough. And I only get weekends to work on it as well. Saturday, Sunday, maybe an hour or two, because the second reason is I'm also a dad. And so I have to take care of my kids. I have to make sure Zikora is not getting into the fields because 1 minute he's wrenching, second minute he's off chasing squirrels, God knows where. So I have to make sure he's not getting into trouble. And so that takes away from the time that I'm working on my car. But that's just part of life right now. So I hope that doesn't come across as an excuse. It's just part of my reality, but it is what it is. I just want to keep making progress on this car every week as much as I can, putting in every hour that I can here or there, just because I don't want the project to stall out. And so with all of that said, I just wanted to make sure I communicated all of that across. So if you don't care, awesome. I was doing this video during their nap time. They're both awake. I hear someone of the kids crying, so I'm gonna go get the kids. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. Bye.